iPhone aux adapter.
Hi, this is Westley, the Gizmo guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can use my gadget to play your music from your iPhone through your car radio without using Bluetooth, aux, or any wire at all. Simply connect my device to your new phone. This will work for iPhone 6 all the way to iPhone 12. Today we have an iPhone 12 here, and we're going to play music from this new iPhone 12 right through this car radio without using anything or any wire, just my gadget. So all you have to do is connect my device to your phone, and you'll be able to cast all your music through your car radio. Let me show you how. So this is what it sounds like from your phone right now. And then we're going to play this music right through this car radio by going to 87.9. We'll stop this. You hear that there's a lot of static coming from your radio at 87.9. All you have to do is plug my gadget into the phone like this and hit play. Now you can hear the music coming through from the car stereo loud and clear without any static. You do not need Bluetooth, you do not need aux, you do not need any cable. Pause, play music. Now this is a regular local radio station. Now this is coming from this gadget through this car radio. You can use my gadget to play music from Pandora, from YouTube, podcasts, right through any radio. You can use this with home radio as well as car radio. All you have to do is plug into your iPhone. This works from iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone 12. All you have to do is plug in my Gizmo gadget to your phone, and you'll be able to cast and play all your music through your car or your home radio without using Bluetooth, aux, or any wire.
Hello. I have a new iPhone and an old car radio. I'd like to be able to listen to my audiobooks through my car radio, and I found this amazing little gadget from Gizmo Guy that will allow me to do just that. It's so simple to use too. All you have to do is plug it into your phone, set your car radio at 87.9, go to your audiobook, hit
The
play,
mission's chief scientist, Dr. Hans Emmerich, hung up without another word.
and you can hear it
After calling the bridge and
crystal
ordering
clear
a full
through the
stop,
car radio.
Captain Walter Miller
Take it out, you see there's static. Put it back in.
passed quickly and made his way to the ship's main
Beautiful.
research bay.
It is
Like the
so
rest of the
easy
crew,
to use.
He was curious.
There it goes again.
What it was. But most of all, he wanted to know if what lay
Thank you, Gizmo Guy.
As you can see, just by clicking the frequency on the bottom with the toggle button on there, go right to it, plug it in, and it's working. And you can switch it really easy with just one click on your phone.
You get on that horse, you bet. I knew my ring was gonna be later by the
Amazing. Awesome job, Wesley.
I want to thank the guy who invented this. I paid $90 and I do not regret spending the money. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. Have fun. Enjoy your Corvette. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.
Click on the link below and get yours now. Start enjoy your music. Life is too short without good music. So get yours now by clicking down below. I promise you this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Or your money back. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo guy.
It's called GIzmo Guy. It's a pretty cool, nifty gadget if you're into music and you got an older car, doesn't have Bluetooth, and you want to play some music and stream. Got a lightning port. They do make a 1/8 mini jack version as well, but this one's geared more for the newer iPhones, so it's actually a really handy device. It says on here crystal clear with FM radio plug-in, wireless, works on all types of vehicles, which we're going to test out right now.
What would the music be without sounds?
Young Bows.
So this gadget is really, really worth the money. I'm telling you guys out there, if you want to keep your car original and you don't want to mess around with the radio, get this. I mean, I've used this. I bought other products. It's so staticky, you lose it. It don't work good, but this delivers what it promises. Believe me, GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. And this is a beautiful thing. I did not want to spend $700 or $800 buying a radio for my Corvette 2006, so I bought this thing. It's the transmitter. Really, really worth it, man. Trust me, guys. Get this right here. It's worth it. GizmoGuide.com. This is not a paid advertisement, but I just wanted to help you, all you guys out there that have old cars and you want to keep your original radio, but yeah, you want to get new music and you want to use your smartphone.
Like I said earlier, this product works well with any vehicle with FM radio, so pretty much every vehicle out there, this will work on.
This iPhone Aux adapter is perfect for your car or home radio. Click on the link below and get yours now. Thank you.
So this is my gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget, and this is Wesley, the Gizmo guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.